Welcome to this presentation on offline OER and an affordable laptop for that purpose. What is an offline OER? There are people who don't have access to internet. Can we make content available to them? It is for that purpose this project eGranary is created. I have opened it on this web page. You can see a description of it here. On the left hand side you see a link called what is inside. Let me click that. You see a large number of titles available through this package. The eGranary project has now invited Spoken Tutorial to offer its videos, and we are in the process of creating an offline version and giving it to eGranary's project. In India, however, there is another difficulty. Content is available, bandwidth is getting cheap, or you might even have offline version such as this. But how do the students finally access it? Unless they have a device, they cannot access it. It is for that purpose we initially came up with an affordable laptop about 2 years ago. I have opened it here. It was available for rupees 7,500. We did a detailed study of this for its use at IIT Bombay for students who did the first course in programming. If you can go through this, it's a detailed study. It has about 12 pages of work. I will make this available through IIT Bombay X. Now we improved this laptop further and we came up with a much better laptop. As a matter of fact, I am using that laptop for making this presentation. This laptop now costs rupees 10,000. Let us see some of its capabilities. First of all, it has a lot of offline OER. Let me show some of them. You can see two links here. One is Spoken, the other is Wikipedia. Let me show the Wikipedia first. Let me double click it. Let me open Hindi. Okay, let me right click it, run it. Okay, it has come in the Chrome web browser. Let me click that. You can see that it has come here. Let me load this. Let's scroll down. If I press a Control plus, you will be able to see it. You can see 125%. You can see it well. Let me go back. Okay, let me close this. Now let me go back here. If you noticed, when I showed the Hindi version of Wikipedia, there were close to 100,000, that is 1 lakh articles. Together with all languages, there are about 500,000 or 5 lakh articles. It's a great OER. Students can go through these even if they don't have access to internet. Let me go back. Now let me take up Spoken. So it has a file called index.html. Let me open it. Okay, so I have opened it. Now you can choose the first category. Of course, here I have created a small distribution, so it has only a few things. So if you say that, let us select LibreOffice Writer, let us select Marathi, let me submit. You see a set of tutorials. Let us see inserting pictures. Let me play this.
LibreOffice रायटरच्या इन्सर्टिंग इमेजेस वरील स्पोकन ट्युटोरियल मध्ये आपले स्वागत.
Okay, let me pause it. So it is possible to make available whatever distribution a student is interested in an offline mode. This will help the student to study whatever they want at their own convenience without even requiring internet. Okay, let me close this. So we have seen some of the offline content such as spoken tutorial and Wikipedia. As a matter of fact, this laptop is pretty good. You can even create spoken tutorials on it. I mentioned this in one of the previous talks. Let me recall that. This is the spoken tutorial created on this machine using Kazam. Let me play this.
My name is Kannan Moudgalya.
So let me pause it. This machine can also be used to create documents using LaTeX. Let me show that. So here is a very small file that I have opened. All that it does is to print hello world. Let me compile this. So you can see the PDF file here. You can see it. Of course, I can always write once more. Let me compile it. You can see that coming here. Okay. It is a great computer also. Let me show some of the nice programs that run on this machine. Let me open Scilab. Let me also open this software called Blender. Blender has already opened. Scilab also has come. Let me use Scilab to create a 3D plot. Look at the speed at which this 3D plot comes with Blender also open simultaneously. Now let me go to Blender. Let me move this so that you know that Scilab is still open here. Now let me duplicate an object. You can see the speed at which this 3D object is moving, and remember I have Scilab opened here. Let me present brief specifications of the new laptop. It has a 11.6-inch screen. It has 2 GB RAM. It has 32 GB NAND flash, Intel Atom machine, quad core processor, each processor running at 1.33 gigahertz. It also has an SD card, the popular SD card that works on mobiles. It has a capacity of 32 GB, about 10,000 mAh battery. It has an excellent connectivity. It weighs only 1 kg. It is sleek. It is available, of course. The price is rupees 10,000, of the order of $150. We recommend this for institutional support so that one can give after sales support. Are you interested in this laptop? Please visit this link and give your feedback. I am including some photographs of this laptop. So that was a brief presentation on offline OER and affordable laptop that we have introduced after lots of research. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.